Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to delete Interactive Broker's account. Begin by logging into Account Management and confirming you have no open positions or pending orders. Next, withdraw or transfer any cash and assets to your linked bank or brokerage. Then contact Client Services to request formal account closure and follow their instructions to complete identity verification and sign any required forms to finalize the closure process. Before you request closure, gather the necessary documents to speed up the process. Have a government ID and recent account statements ready for identity checks. Download and securely save tax documents like Form 1099 for future reference. Verify that your linked bank details are correct for the final wire or ACH transfers. Also note any pending corporate actions or dividends that could affect your final balance before closing the account. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long account tasks with the Owala water bottle, which is leak-proof, easy to carry, and keeps drinks cold for hours, making paperwork less tiresome. Check the description for the link and other deals before you continue with closing steps. And now let's get back to the video. To submit your closure request, use the Account Management Message Center and attach the required documents. Ask Client Services for confirmation of your final balance, any fees, and the expected timeline for closure. Keep copies of all correspondence and request written confirmation when the account is fully closed. If funds remain, follow up promptly to ensure they are transferred or returned by wire or ACH as instructed by the broker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.